because of the cervical reticulopathy, there is a disposition over to the C5 and the C6 region. So the majorly median nerve has been affected. The whole muscles which has been supplied by the median nerve has been affected, and the muscles which is related to it is trapezius, the triceps, and the I've told you about the extensor compartment of the forearm is been affected. Somehow some muscles are not being affected. Somehow some muscles are affected. Even though we have seen there are the changes in the limb girth, means it has been reduced in size. That is was from the other side. It has been reduced in the size, and there was some swelling also into the smaller joints of the digits. Now, where I started the dry needling is, firstly, to reduce the pain, what we have to do is, we have to needle, the first needle is onto the trapezius region. Second needle is to be on the teres minor region. Third is to be on the triceps region. I'll show you one by one how I have needled it and how come the sensation is coming from upside to the downside. So if you are all having the needle as well as a model in front of you, it will be better to learn and to experience it. What is the feeling to the patient which is going on. Sanitizer देना और cotton देना और 40 mm needle देना. Fast. 40 mm needle fast. Camera hold करना. दिखाना मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ. So here I'm going with the trapezius region. Now, what is the caution to be taken for doing in the trapezius? The needle should not go. थोड़ा सा और ऊपर करो. Patient का ये aspect दिखेगा. देखो. So, if I needle it like this, I can needle it, but this is not always safer. Usually, I needle it from this angle to this angle. I'm going outward, but you can needle it here also onto the trigger point. Now, why it is risky? Because of the lungs. The apex of the lungs is nearby to this area. If the needle strikes that apex of the lung, there may be chances of pneumothorax. So we have to be cautious, and I usually prefer to needle it by standing here, by standing on the side of the patient. I ask for the trigger point. I'm just palpating it. Sir, यहाँ pain हो रहा है हल्का? Yeah. So this is the trigger point. Because the patient has been relieved much, so there will be less trigger points. Now, I'm placing the needle 90 degree to the plane of the arm. Now, I will form a grip like this. I will form a grip like this. And I will needle it here. कोई sensation आया सर नीचे तक? See, the patient is saying the sensation कहाँ तक आया सर? दिखाना यहाँ पे. Over this point. Over this point. Up to this point. Up to this point. When I have needle there. So this is the trigger point. If there is no trigger point, need not to worry. In the cervical reticulopathy, what needs to be done? This is a thumb rule that while needling onto the trapezius region, you come 4 fingers down from the edge of the neck, wherever there is a edge. See, there is a marking. ऐसे दिखाओ इधर साइड से आओ. See, there is a marking here. This marking. From this marking, you come forefinger down. I'm exactly on the forefinger because I've practiced this a lot, so I know where my fourth finger will come. So this is the fourth finger. This is a thumb rule. According to my practice, I have practiced it. So you have to needle it here. Once you have needled it here, the current sensation, a fast current sensation will come up to this finger. Where there is numbness, where there is pain, where there is each and every aspect of the pain lies. This was the first needle. Now, after this, the second needle which has to be applied is onto the teres minor. I'll show you. Sir, हाथ पीछे लेना. Now, how to palpate the teres minor? I'll show you. Again, the edge here, the edge of the arm, ये यहाँ पे armpit पे. You go 3 fingers up. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers up here. Here it is the point of teres minor. ऊपर रखना कैमरा. 5 कहाँ गया उसमें? So, three fingers up. Again here. This is the point. Now the size of the needle depends upon patient to patient, the size of the muscle area and how much deeper you want. I want it much deeper. I wanted to touch to the outer edge of the scapula. So I'm going like this. Here. So this is, see, there was a twitch. थोड़ा ऐसे करके रखो ना. So there was a twitch. See the expression of the patient. There was a twitch, as well as the sensation was going down. कहाँ पर आया था sensation नीचे तक? यहाँ तक. Till the wrist, it has reached. So this is the point of teres minor. This can also be called as neural dry needling or the nervous dry needling. So here on the teres minor, I've done the needle. I've reached to the point of outer edge of the scapula. I'm hitting onto the bone. I'm reaching to the bone. My needle is hitting onto the bone. Also, here on this point, not on the trapezius. Here you can do the fishing around. The fishing around procedure is a procedure in which you can either go perpendicular, you can either go lateral, you can either go medial. In any direction if you are finding it, you can go. So now I have reached this, and there is a change in the facial expression, as well as there is a twitch, as well as there is a current sensation which is flowing down. When I'm doing this, see. Now, this was for the teres minor. Again, I will come on to the triceps region. So the another voice is also coming.
दूसरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर. Now I'll go on to the triceps region. Here, you can needle anywhere along the triceps. But as I've told, the maximum trigger point or the taut areas is in the middle point of the muscle. So, I will try to needle it here. Now, when you want to hit to the nerve, what you need to do is you just come on the exact middle point of it, and you can go 1 or 2 centimeters lateral. See, this is the middle point. This is the middle point. थोड़ा सा नीचे लेके आना, नीचे लेके आओ कैमरे को, और थोड़ा सा इधर लाओ. हाँ, यस. ये व्यू ठीक है सर कि चेंज करूं इस व्यू को? शुड आई चेंज द व्यू?
थोड़ा सा और जब आप नीडल करो तो और क्लोज दिखा देना.
ठीक है. ये व्यू ठीक है सर दिखाने के लिए?
हाँ, चल रहा है.
ये ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज द मिडल पॉइंट. आई एम कमिंग ये लिटिल फिंगर की तरफ थोड़ा सा 1 सेंटीमीटर और 2 सेंटीमीटर थोड़ा सा मैं इधर आ गया. हियर maybe there may be a trigger point, maybe there may not be a trigger point, but we are dealing with the neural dry needling. Here I will come. Form the grip. Now I'll tell you. See, आया सर? कहाँ तक आया सर? पूरा नीचे तक? See, अभी इतने से करने में ही it has reached to full down. And see the movement of the finger. It will come and the patient will try to do it. This. Yes. Now, abhi, before going further, I want to tell you one important thing about the dry needling. There is a fear into 2 persons. One, who is performing the dry needling, and secondly, in the patient who is asked to perform the dry needling. Now, the fear of what? Fear of pain. The patient is like, needle will go inside me, it will be so much painful. The therapist will be like, I'm going to needle it, और वहां पे उसको कितना पेन होगा, तो वो भी डरता है. To reduce this fear and to reduce the pain, कई बार patient, because this is neural dry needling, I am onto the nerve, I know where the nerve is, so मैं उस nerve को hit कर रहा हूँ, so this is painful. But sometimes, when I'm not hitting onto the nerve, I am hitting onto the other area of the person, other muscle of the person. Maximum time 90% of the patient says, क्या needle मुझे लग गई? Is the needling being done? Now I'll show you. I'll remove the needle from this area. I'll show it again, but I'll needle it onto other aspect of the same muscle, and the patient will say कि मुझे needle लग गया. I am not known to it. See the video. See, before needling, I've just formed a grip like this. Grip नहीं दिख रहा ढंग से. नीचे लाओ और नीचे लाओ. थोड़ा इधर और बिल्कुल पास है. I formed a grip like this. Place the needle, hit it. सर पता लगा भी मैंने needle लगाई आपको? Now I will go like this. हाँ. एक मिनट. And do it again. हाँ. अभी पता लगा सर? Now I've needled it. थोड़ा zoom करके दिखाना. I've needled it. अभी इनको पता नहीं लगा कि there was a pain, or there will be a very less pain. So this happens. So this can be done. By my experience, I'm explaining this. Nobody will be telling it. There is a pain and bite कर रहा है, ऐसा pain होगा. It is there. But 90% of the cases, when you needle it, by forming a firm grip, by holding that muscle where you are going to needle it, then you needle. Maximum time, patient will say there is less pain or no pain. Now, further going, I will come on to the anterior aspect of the forearm. Firstly, I will show you the needling areas. Then I will show you, explain you by muscle where is to be done. Now, सर बिल्कुल सीधे लेटे हैं, इस तरफ फेस करना, सर इधर आ जाओ, हाँ जी, इस तरफ आ जाओ. You can do it in the sitting posture. You can do it in the lying posture also. Whatsoever is feasible to you as well as to the patient. Stop. No. Now, I will show you where to be needle. You can needle it in the many areas, but I will show you the specific areas where is to be needle. Now, this is the bony area, oligurine process. I'm here. Everyone knows that while hitting to this area, while you are striking like this, there will be a current sensation in each and every normal individual. You will be feeling the current kind of a sensation which is going from this to this. So it means the nerve is been in the superiorly here, and you can hit it very easily. Now, in the neural dry needling, what we are doing is we are just hitting to the nerve. We are just giving the injury to the nerve, and it has a capacity to regenerate, and it is very fast. So we are hitting this nerve to create the sensation onto the affected area. Now, this is the needle. I'm onto the bony area. This is the bony area. You go just 1 centimeter up. Bony area, just 1 centimeter up like this. And see. See the facial expression of the क्या हुआ सर अभी? करंट फ्लो हुआ. कहाँ तक आपको करंट महसूस हुआ? पूरा उंगली तक, लिटिल फिंगर तक या मिडिल फिंगर? लिटिल फिंगर तक पूरा. ये पेशेंट ही आपको बता देगा कि ये पूरा. एंड सी द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द पेशेंट. This is the first area where you have to needle it to create the current sensation and to reduce the numbness or the tingling sensation which is present into the patient. Now the second needle where I have to make a stool then beta. पाइप कहाँ है इसका? सेकंड दूसरी निडल दिया ना, इसको यहाँ लगे रहने दो, इसको लगे रहने दो. दूसरी निडल और हाँ मोनो निडल दो नहीं 3 निडल और देना बेटा, 3 निडल और देना फटाफट लेके. नहीं ये छोटी है साइज, ये पूरा नहीं जाएगा. 40 या 50. हाँ 50 वाली है ना, पता है मुझे. निडल शॉर्ट हो जाएगा, लेके आओ फटाफट. थोड़ा फास्ट कर बस, टाइम कम है. ये होल्ड करो, वीडियो दिखाना. नाउ द सेकंड पॉइंट वेयर आई एम कमिंग इज ये स्पेट थोड़ा सा ऐसा करके नहीं दिखाएं, ऐसे करके. हाँ ये लिटिल फिंगर तक दिखाना, लिटिल फिंगर तक पूरा आना चाहिए. लाइक दिस. नाउ अभी I have to be on the lateral part. I will come laterally to middle until here. So this is the area I have to approach for reducing the numbness. This was the first point. Come 4 to 5 fingers down from the same needle where you have applied. 4 to 5 fingers down like this here. Now you have to be coming up, not like this. You have to be coming up here. इस निडल से जो दूसरी निडल लगाओगे उसके बीच में थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस 4 फिंगर का है, प्लस उससे थोड़ा सा 2 सेंटीमीटर्स अप है. फिर हम जब थर्ड निडल लेंगे वो भी इससे 4 फिंगर्स अप लेंगे, फिर इससे जो लेंगे फिर वो 4 फिंगर्स अप यहाँ लेंगे. देयर शुड बी अ 4 फिंगर गैप. नाउ आई एम कमिंग 4 फिंगर्स यहाँ, और ये मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऊपर आया मैं. Now see, here I'm going to needle. See, there is a change in the facial expression of the patient. क्या हुआ सर अभी फिर? करंट आ रहा है, कहाँ तक आ रहा है? पूरा पूरा करंट आ रहा है, कहाँ तक आ रहा है? इस उंगली में भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ गया। ठीक, पूरा हाथ में आ रहा है, पूरा एकदम। See, there is a change in the facial expression. The patient will experience a tremendous amount of the pain while we are hitting the nerve. Again, come 4 fingers up here. 4 fingers ऐसे नहीं जाना है, 4 fingers हमेशा up जाना है. So this will be my 4th finger. Here it is up. Now I'm needling it again. You follow this thumb rule. See, अभी मैंने इतना सा उसको hit किया, and the current sensation came. Now I'm hitting onto the bone. Here I'm onto the bone. आ रहा सर? कहाँ तक आ रहा सर? पूरा उंगली तक आ रहा है। हाँ, see. Now the last needle. I will come again 4 fingers up here. Now here I have to be on the exact this middle point. Why? Because when I'm hitting here, the nerve has been bifurcated into 2 parts like this. So now when I'm hitting onto the middle part of it, the current will go not only to this but also to the yes, Ashok. The current will not only go to these fingers, the current will also go to these fingers. पूरे आया, सब आ गया, पूरे हाथ में आ गया, पूरी उंगली में आ गया. Now it is, see, now it has come to the all fingers of the. यहाँ पे आपको कल सेंसेशन कम थी सर, अब ठीक है, बेटर, मच बेटर. So you can also take a screenshot of this if it is possible. Sir, ये needles visible है? Is it visible to all? The all 4 needles?
Sir, only 3 are visible.
और क्लोज दिखा दे.
All close.
Dr. Gulati, sorry to interrupt. Can you explain the last point again? Last needle point.
Yeah, sure.
It's in between the retina.
This is the onto the middle part. When I am touching it, also the patient will experience so much of pain. I'll reduce it. अभी मैं निकाल देता हूँ उसको लूज कर देता हूँ. अभी ठीक है? अभी ठीक है सर? बेरेबल है? ठीक, बेरेबल है. Now, this is the middle point. From here, the nerve bifurcates into 2 parts. ये इधर भी जाएगी और इस वाले कंपार्टमेंट को भी सप्लाई करेगा. ये जो नीडल है, इन सब नीडल के बीच में there is a gap of 3 to 4 fingers. Ideally, it should be 4 fingers, but जिनकी fingers थोड़ी सी मोटी हो, वो 3 fingers भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब ये जो लगाने का जो प्रोसेस है, it is a process where you have to apply a gap and you have to go up and up and up. See, I have started it laterally from this point, from the bony area. Now, from this, a gap of 4 finger. Now, this from this needle to this needle, there is a gap of like this. The finger, ये जो मेरी finger है, ये इतना gap होगा. ये दूर भी है और ये जो finger है, ये ऊपर है, ये थोड़ी सी नीचे है. So this is a gap of this. Now again the third needle will come here like this. ये थोड़ा सा इससे ऊपर. Again the fourth needle will come onto the middle part here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you cannot apply it for more than 5 minutes because the patient will start experiencing pain, heaviness in the forearm. Ideally, see, there is a blood coming, oozing out. ये कभी-कभी होता है. It is not always कि blood आएगा. और इसमें कभी भी आपको वो जैसे नॉर्मल जो डिस्पोजेबल नीडल हम यूज करते हैं उसमें ऐसे रब करते हैं, ऐसे रब करने की जरूरत नहीं. यू हैव टू जस्ट स्वाइप इट आउट लाइक दिस एंड द ब्लड विल गो. दिस इज द फोर्थ नीडल. सो नाउ दिस इज द प्रोसीजर ideally followed by me to relieve the numbness in the fingers, in the forearm, where there is entrapment of the nerve from the C5 and C6 level, where there is a disc protrusion and it is hitting onto the nerve, it is impinging the nerve, and the radiation is coming till this area. Maximally time in the cervical radiculopathy, we found that the pain is in these areas also, as well as the numbness is in these areas. Sir, I'm coming 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So this is where I have needled. These are the areas to be remembered, and I have told you about the muscles also. कि मसल्स जो हमने यूज करनी है वो एंटीरियर कंपार्टमेंट आप एक्सटेंसर कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ फोरआर्म को आप देखें और उस हिसाब से आप उसको नीडल कर दें. बट जरूरी नहीं है कि यही जहां पे मैंने नीडल किया सिर्फ वही काम में आएगा, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. पर ये देखा गया कि 90% ऑफ द केसेस जहां पर हमने इन एरियाज में हमने नीडल लगाया वहां पर जो है नमनेस, जो पेन है और ये सब चीजें सबसाइड होनी शुरू हो गई. और ये आपको विद इन दी फर्स्ट सिटिंग ही आपको ये सारे चेंजेस मिलेंगे. सेकंड द पेशेंट विल कम टू यू, विल एक्सपीरियंस 60 to 70% reduction in the numbness as well as in the pain. Now the major muscles which is involved is brachioradialis. So you do the flexion of the forearm, and then in the especially in the mid position you do it, and then where there is a pumping out of the muscle, there at that part you find the trigger point and then needle it on this area. The brachioradialis is to be covered. Extensor carpi radialis longus is to be covered. Here the extension of the extension, it has to be done on the wrist joint as well as the abduction. So extension and abduction you need to do it, and then where there is a palpation, pumping out of the muscle, according to the action, you find the midpoint, needle it on that area. Radialis, extensor carpi radialis brevis is also required. You have to needle it there. Again, the extension of the hand and the abduction. Extensor digitorum, I don't use it. Ideally, extensor digitorum is the area जहां पर बिल्कुल मिड पॉइंट आ जाता है. मैं मिड पॉइंट क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल जब मैंने बताया कि मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूं तो मैं इतना ऊपर नहीं आ रहा हूं मैं कि मैं एक्सटेंसर डिजिटोरम पर आऊं, बट वी कैन आल्सो हिट द एक्सटेंसर डिजिटोरम मसल आल्सो. नाउ एक्सटेंसर डिजिटी मिनिमी, वो जो एरिया था जो हम जब ऊपर आए थे जब मैंने उसको हिट किया था, वो एक्सटेंसर डिजिटी मिनिमी एरिया था जो कि एक्सटेंशन करता है हैंड का एट दी रिस्ट जॉइंट पे, और एक्सटेंशन ऑफ मेटाकार्पोफेलेंजियल जॉइंट्स का भी वहीं पे ही होता है, इंटरफेलेंजियल जॉइंट्स का भी वहीं पे. तो आप उसका एक्सटेंशन करा के देख सकते हैं और मिडिल पॉइंट उसको वहां पे जहां पे मसल का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन वहां पे आपको फील हो रहा है, देयर यू कैन डू इट. एज वेल एज ऑन दी एक्सटेंसर कार्पी अल्नेरिस भी आप उसको देख सकते हैं बाय डूइंग दी एडक्शन ऑफ दी हैंड एट दी रिस्ट जॉइंट. So these are the major areas where you have to needle it, where you have to apply the needle. नीडल के लिए आप उस मसल को रिकॉग्नाइज करो उसके एक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग और फिर वहां पे नीडल कर दो. पर जो एरियाज मैंने बताए ये मेरे प्रैक्टिस का सब्जेक्ट है, ये मेरे प्रैक्टिस बताती है कि इस एरियाज पे अगर आप नीडल करते हैं तो देयर विल बी मोर बेनिफिटेड इन रेटिकुलोपैथी एज वेल एज. Anyone?
डिस्कनेक्टेड हो रहा है डॉक्टर साहब थोड़ा.
I was clear with him. So this is the method I told. I was the cervical radiculopathy. If someone has a question, you can just ask me.
Anyone? Yeah, I got some question. Fishing, one is asking, fishing around is to be done or not? What is your view? And the other
fishing around is not always necessary. I've told you on to the this thing terrace minor area you can do the fishing around. Why? Because there we are hitting onto the bone. So when we are hitting onto the bone, we may miss the trigger point also sometimes. So only fishing around there you, and the second point in fishing around is where you're not able to find the exact trigger point after deep palpation also. So you're missing the trigger points. And if you're thinking that there may be multiple trigger points over that small area, so then it is required that you do the fishing around. यहाँ पे भी कर दिया, वहाँ पे भी कर दिया. You do the needle perpendicular, you're doing the needle vertically, you're doing the needle थोड़ा सा up, down, right, shift, ये किया. They're only required. You can do it in each and every muscle. That is not a thumb rule. But ideally, when you're not, the fishing around is only done where there are multiple trigger points and you're missing the exact trigger points. You're feeling कि यहाँ trigger point मुझे तो लग रहा है लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं जा रहा है मेरा needle. So you can do the fishing. That is it.
Another question is, what is the physiology behind?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to hear.
What is physiology behind needling?
Physiology behind needling, I've told you, we are releasing the trigger point. But here in the cervical radiculopathy, especially in the neural entrapments, where there is tingling sensation, where there is neural dysfunction, sensory dysfunction, where there is numbness, there the physiology is we are hitting the nerve to get it regenerated again. And while hitting the nerve, when you hit the nerve, so the thing is there is a current flow, and which is very fast current flow. So the patient experiences the current is now they are feeling after the current. Yes, there is some kind of sensation. We are feeling it healthy. We are feeling it normalized than before. So this is the physiology. You are hitting the nerve and you are asking the nerve again to go for the regeneration, formation of the neurons again.
Okay. Another question is how needling helps in entrapment. How it gets released by needling.
See, entrapment is a thing. If you are dealing with cervical radiculopathy or any radiculopathy I am talking about, if suppose C5, C6 has been entrapped, now the disc has been bulged out. You have to go for other exercises also. You do whatever you are in expertise in. You can do osteo, chiro, you can do the adjustments, you can do each and everything that is very much required. But it is not relieving that bulge which has been came out, or the spasm. It is helping in the reduction in the spasm. It is helping in the reduction of the sensory output which has been now shown by the entrapment of the nerve. We are not treating, or we are not helping the patient to relieve that bulge. That bulge will be done by the flexion, extension exercises, etc., and etc., whatever we. But dry needling will not help in this bulging. It will help in the sensation gaining again by hitting the nerve onto the other aspect, so that there will be a current flow. There will be a full current flow. There will be a circuit formation.
Okay.